This height here, I fell to the entrance of the cave. Bloody stupid. Wow, I've just got to the other side of the cave behind me. Really steep slope. I was flying my drone and the drone just landed here, so basically it crashed. The drone's fine, but as I was coming down this steep slope I fell from about 10 meters. Gotta be careful. I'm not too sure of my injuries yet, but I know my legs are killing me. But I fell just from the top here, where Skye is at the minute. So now, gotta go back up. Left my kit up there, extremely slippery. Just gotta be careful. Sometimes you just don't think. It's me being stupid. And it was from this height here, I fell to the entrance of the cave. Bloody stupid. Ugh. I'll check my legs when I get to the top here. Just need to get out this bit. Yeah, talk about going out, clearing the head, processing my thoughts, being in the now, not thinking too far in the future, not thinking too far back. But bloody hell, I was actually feeling that in the now. Life just flashing there, rolling down that hill. But fair play to Skye. First thing she did was come back straight away, sit next to me, just make sure everything was okay. Just reassured her everything's good, girl. But bloody hell, you do some stupid things in your life, but again, you live and learn. At least it's put my adrenaline up, and I'm still climbing to get back to my gear. Again, should be taking that with me. It's got essential equipment that I might need. But yeah, wow. I don't think my legs are that bad, but hands are stinging a bit. We're back up to the top of this section now, nearly. Just gotta be careful. Dog's living life. Wow.